Hey everyone, this is John once again. Welcome to another episode of Motor Gadget. In today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin yung bago nating helmet, which is the HJC i10 helmet na nakikita nyo dito ngayon. Okay, so yes, bumili nga tayo ng bagong helmet dahil nga yung ating lumang helmet is medyo pangit na at medyo luma na rin at puro gasgas na rin. So medyo nahihiya na rin tayo gamitin yun sa ating mga rides. And yes, I am vegetarian. I ended up with this helmet. For the record, this is the most expensive helmet na nabili ko up to date. This cost around 7,000 to 8,000 ang model ng helmet na ito, by the way. And there's a bunch of reason kung bakit natin napili yung helmet na to. At yun ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to, just in case that you are trying to look for a helmet na may superior safety rating, maganda rin yung air ventilation and other features. So I'm gonna go ahead and discuss that over in this video. Okay, so first and foremost, for the build and quality, this is an HJC helmet. So, kilalang kilala siya for its quality and build. Hindi ka mapapahiya kapag meron kang or gumamit ka ng HJC helmet. At ang shell is yung APC or Advanced Polycarbonate shell lang ginamit sa kanya, which is the usual na ginagamit ng mga helmet manufacturer when creating helmets dahil sa pagiging light and durable, which is perfect for helmets. Higher end models uses carbon fiber, which is medyo mahal, but the usual models, yung ginagamit talaga nila is yung polycarbonate plastic. Pagdating naman sa visor niya, ito yung visor niya. It has a wide field of view. Actually, kapag fully open siya, tapos naka-locksuot siya sa'yo, hindi mo na makikita itong visor in your field of view. Unlike my other helmets na kapag naka-fully open siya, nakikita ko pa rin yung visor. So, this one has a bigger and wider field of view. At meron na rin siyang lock dito sa gitna na pagka pinush mo siya all the way down, nalalak na yung inyong visor. So, hindi na siya ma-open at all unless na i-push mo siya pataas para ma-open. And meron na rin siya mga level na pwede mo siyang i-open halfway. I think 6 stages for you to open this fully. And also, ang visor na ito is pin lock ready na rin. So if you want to install a pin lock on it, it's readily available. But it doesn't come with the pin lock itself. So it is an add-on if you want to install it. And by the way, ang nakikita nyo ngayong visor is smoke visor, but this one comes by default with a clear visor. So this one is bought separately if you want a smoke visor like this one. Now, next thing na nagustuhan ko with this helmet is its generous air vents, which allows air to circulate really well while you are riding. When I say generous, I'm going to show you the air vents that this helmet has. So kung makikita nyo ngayon, itong helmet na to, meron siyang dalawang air vents dito sa taas. And aside from that, just below the logo itself, meron siyang air vent dito that you can shut and open as well, which usually nakikita mo to sa mga higher end models ng HJC, which are Alpha models. And last but not the least, dito sa pinaka-chin niya, meron siyang malaking air intake na rin. So makita mo dito, meron dito isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na holes on the chin side niya, which you can easily close and open dito. Pag in-open mo siya, lahat na siya ma-open all at the same time. And The usual kasi na mga helmet, maliit lang yung mga air intake sa chin. And this one has that bigger air intake which allows you to have more air inside, lalo na kapag mainit ang panahon. And that's really important for me when I am riding. Gusto ko mas ma-press ko yung ating ulo or yung loob ng helmet while we are riding. Despite the generous amount of air intake, when it comes to noise naman, this is a quiet helmet. I have ridden it for a very long ride na rin to test it. And importante rin sa akin na quiet yung helmet kasi naglalagay tayo ng mic sa loob para sa ating action cameras at the same time para din rin sa ating intercom. In my experience, okay naman siya, hindi naman siya maingay. Okay naman yung audio quality ng mga recordings natin despite those big air intakes. Alright, so pagdating naman sa interior, it comes with the impact absorbing multi-density liner at kilalang kilala ang HJC for being really comfortable. At makikita mo naman talaga na premium yung kanyang mga liners inside. And this one is also removable if you wanted to wash it. And another thing is it comes with the glasses grooves right here, which works really well. I have tested it already with my sunglasses and my glasses, and it fits just right in. Hindi weird yung angle ng yung glasses kapag nilagay mo, and it is also comfortable, which is a big deal as well, especially for those na gumagamit ng glasses while they're using their helmets. Now, this helmet is also intercom ready. Designed siya for smart HJC intercoms or Bluetooth, pero you can also use naman yung other intercoms that you are using. For me, I am using a Freedcon intercom, and it fits perfectly doon sa slot niya for the speakers. And the good thing about it is meron din siyang grooves na for the wires, and kasyang-kasya din yung mga wires na ginagamit natin na intercom, pati yung mic dito sa grooves niya, which is really good and perfect for me kasi malinis yung pagkakaset up ng ating mga wires sa loob because of that. Now, yung strap na rin ito is double D-ring, which you normally see this on premium or higher end helmets. So, which is a really nice one kasi nasanay na rin tayo sa double D-ring. The bad thing about it is kapag nagre-ride ka at nag-uubad, medyo challenging lang and medyo mabagal lang tayo magbalik ng ating helmet, unlike those quick release na ng mga straps. Last but not the least, which I believe is the strongest point for this helmet. Alam nyo ba na ang helmet na to is Snell approved? Yes, Snell approved ang helmet na to. Ang ibig sabihin kapag Snell approved siya, it has a higher safety rating or protection than DOT. Ang Snell is isa sa mga pinakamahigpit na body when it comes to helmet safety and testing. So, pasado siya sa Snell, which is widely recognized by a racing organization all over the world. So, kapag sinabi mong Snell approved, ang mga level na mga usually na mga helmet na Snell approved is kagaya ng mga Shoei, kagaya ng mga Arai helmets, AGV helmets, so which is a higher end and more expensive helmets than this one. So yes, that being said, this makes the cheapest Snell approved helmet in the market today. So saan ka pa, parang naka-level muna yung mga higher end na Snell approved na mga helmet. Basically, those are the things that really convinced me in getting this helmet. Meron din silang mga entry-level helmet, and I believe this is the mid-level helmet that they have. And the reason why I took this kasi konti na lang naman din ang difference between their entry levels and this helmet. So I decided to get this helmet na lang for an extra protection. Now, Another thing that worth mentioning is when you get this type of helmet or this brand of helmet, marami na rin siyang available accessories online. For instance, sinabi ko itong smoke lens niya, pwede mong bilhin. At itong mga paddings niya, available na rin siya if ever na gusto mo magpalit or gusto mo ng smaller size na paddings, you can replace it as well. And at the same time, itong model nga pala na to, it doesn't come with a chin curtain. Pero if you guys can see, meron siyang chin curtain. This is also an accessory that I bought as well para meron siyang chin curtain. So yes, that being said, marami siyang available parts that you can also purchase as compared to those other helmets in the market today na medyo mahirap maghanap. So this is also one of the advantage of getting this type or brand of helmet. Okay, so I guess those are the things and the reason kung bakit ito ang helmet na napili natin. What do you guys think about this helmet? Let me know by just commenting down below. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Once again, this is Joel. If you are interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you again on the next one.